Our unit had a less powerful 2GB of NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1050 GPU, but TUF FX504 laptop is also available with GTX 1050 Ti, more on the gaming performance later. Storage on the device is handled by a 1TB of FireCUDA storage, bagging the laptop yet another advantage over the other laptops with a normal HDD. The solid-state hybrid disk, SSHD, on this laptop offers speed, which is twice as fast as a normal hard disk. This helps in faster data transfer speeds, and also helps in loading the applications quickly. The hard drive also ensures less power consumption while maintaining performance and durability. The plain and simple look of the Latitude 7490 does little for me beyond saying, "Dude, you've gotten a Dell." The magnesium alloy exterior feels durable, the keyboard deck is coated in soft touch paint and it has a woven carbon fiber lid, which offers a grainy texture that makes the laptop feel more substantial. The 14-inch matte touchscreen display in our Dell Latitude 7490 configuration offered solid color and crisp detail. When watching an Avengers: Infinity War trailer on the notebook, I was impressed by the vivid purple glow that lit up camera and the accurate reds and golds of the Dora Milaje's uniform. Also, when I paused the trailer during a flyby shot of the iconic Manhattan skyline, the 1080p panel allowed me to easily distinguish faraway skyscrapers.